Hello friends, welcome back. Equation of line. X-intercept. If a line makes a contact with x-axis at point A, the distance between point A and the origin is known as the x-intercept. So x-intercept is equals to distance between point A and the origin, that is OA. Y-intercept, a line makes a contact with y-axis at point B. The distance between point B and origin is known as y-intercept. Then equation of line. Equation of line. Equation of line. We have three types here. Type 1. Type 1 when slope is given to you. Slope is equals to 1 and intercept is given to you. Intercept is given to you. So we get the equation y is equals to mx plus c. When we have a slope and we have a y-intercept, so we have an equation y is equals to mx plus c. Then type 2. Type 2. When we have slope and point x comma y. When we have slope and point, that equation is y minus y1 is equals to m x minus x1. Type 3. Type 3. When 2 points are given, point x1, y1 and x2, y2. At that time, first we will find out slope by using a formula y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Then equation of line, we will be using what we had used in for type 2, that is y minus y1 is equals to m x minus x1. Exercise 14C. First question, find the equation of line whose y-intercept is equals to 2. What is given? Y-intercept, that is c is equals to 2 and slope, that is m, is equals to 3. They are asking for equation of line. Equation of line y is equals to mx plus c. Y-intercept is given, slope is given, so we are using slope intercept form. So y is equals to mx plus c. Y you have 2, m you have 3, y is equals to 3x plus c we have 2. So we get the equation 3x minus y plus 2 is equals to 0. This is the equation of line. Then next question. Question number 6. What is the question given here? The coordinates of 2 points P and Q are coordinates of 2 points P 2, 6 and Q minus 3, 5 are respectively. Coordinate of 2 points P 2, 6 and Q minus 3, 5 given respectively. Then they are asking for the gradient. Gradient is nothing, it's a slope. Gradient of PQ, that is equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So we have right now y2 as 5 minus 6 upon x2 minus 3 minus 2, which is equals to minus 1 upon minus 5. So we get the slope is equals to 1 by 5. Therefore, the gradient of PQ is equals to 1 by 5. Then they are asking equation of PQ. Equation of PQ, y minus y1 is equals to mx minus x1. Now we got the slope. That's your m. Then we have 2 points. Out of this 2 point, any one of the point you can use here. So y, I am using p. Y minus y1 is 6. M you got 1 by 5. X minus x1 is 2. Do the cross multiplication. So we get 5y minus 30 is equals to x minus 2. Bring all the terms at one side. So we get therefore x. This is going that side minus 5y. This is also going that side, that is plus 28, which is equals to 0. This is the equation of PQ. Then they are asking the coordinate of point where PQ intersects the x-axis. Coordinate of point, third part. Coordinate of point PQ, point where PQ intersects x-axis, that is x comma 0. Substituting in equation, x is equals to x and y is equals to 0 in equation. What we have equation? X minus 5 into 0 plus 28 is equals to 0. X is equals to minus 28. Therefore coordinates are minus 28 comma 0. That's the answer. Question number 9. In triangle ABC, A 3 comma 5, B 7 comma 8 and C 1 comma minus 10 are the vertices of triangle ABC. Then they are asking to find out the equation of median through A. A, B, C are the vertices of triangle and they are asking equation of line through median A. So let D be the midpoint of BC. Therefore, by midpoint formula, we have D is equals to x2 minus x1, the x2 plus x1. So right now we have B and C here, 7 plus 1 upon 2, y1 plus y2, that is 8 plus minus 10 upon 2. So we get 8 by 2, that's 4, comma 8 minus 10, that is minus 2, minus 2 by 2, that is minus 1. So midpoint we get 4 comma minus 1. Slope of AD is equals to, formula is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Right now, if I take this one as y2, that is minus 1, A we have minus 5 upon 4 minus 3, which is equals to minus 6 by 1. So it is equals to minus 6. Slope we got minus 6. Now they are asking equation of AD Formula y minus y1 is equals to m x minus x1. Y minus, if I take the coordinate of a, so 5, slope you got minus 6, x minus 3. So we have y minus 5 is equals to minus 6x plus 18. Bring all the terms at one side, so we get 6x plus y minus 23 is equals to 0. This is the answer. Now question number 15. Find the equation of line whose x-intercept is equals to 5 and y-intercept is equals to 3. It is given x-intercept is equals to 5. Therefore, the coordinate of x-axis are 5, 0 and y-intercept is equals to 3. Therefore, coordinate of y-axis are 0, 3. Now they are asking equations. So first of all, we have to find out the slope. 2 points we have. So first of all, we will find out slope. Slope is equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So substituting the value now, 3 minus 0 upon 0 minus 5, which is equals to 3 by minus 5. Therefore, m is equals to minus 3 by 5. That's the slope you got. Now equation of line y minus y1 is equals to m x minus x1. Now slope you have and one coordinate you can use either x or y. So right now I am using it as x coordinate. So my y minus 0 is equals to minus 3 by 5 x minus 5. So 5y is equals to minus 3x plus 15. Therefore, bringing all the terms at one side, 3x plus 5y minus 15 is equals to 0. This is the equation of line. Question 21. Write down the equation of line whose gradient is minus 2 by 5 and which passes through the point P, where P divides the line segment joining A and B in the ratio 3:1. So P divides the line segment joining A 4, minus 8 and B 12, 0 in the ratio 3:1. That is m1 is to m2 is equals to 3:1. So bisection formula, coordinate of P will be P is equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2 m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. This is the formula. Doing the substitution, m1 we have 3, x2 we have 12 plus m2 we have 1 and into 4 upon 3 plus 1, 3 into y2 we have 0 plus 1 into minus 8 upon 3 plus 1. So we get now, right now, 36 plus 4, that's 40 by 4, and here we have minus 8 by 4. So coordinate of P we are getting right now 10, minus 2. Now the question is asked, write down the equation of the line whose gradient is minus 2 by 5 and which passes through the point P. So coordinate of P we got gradient, that's slope, slope is given to you minus 2 by 5. Now they are asking equation of line passing through passing through point P. Through point P. Point P. Equation of line passing through point P. So equation we have y minus y1 is equals to mx minus x1. Y point you got minus minus 2, m you have minus 2 by 5, x minus 10. Do the cross multiplication, so we get 5y plus 10 is equals to minus 2x plus 20. Bring all the terms at one side, so we get 2x plus 5y plus 10 minus 20, that is minus 10, is equals to 0. That is the equation of line passing through the point P.